I found this Jane fork and spoon at Hobby Lobby and wanted to create something unique for my kitchen walls. You can find similar fork and spoon at Amazon or craft stores. Please check the video description for details. I could not find the same color set, so I'm painting them in black to match my kitchen walls. I used black acrylic paint and a flat paintbrush and painted this fork and spoon. Make sure you secure the floor with some paper before painting. Using the flat paintbrush, I painted the fork and the spoon with back and forth strokes, making sure I left no spots on the corners. For the red spoon, I added 2 coats of paint, and for the fork, 1 coat of paint. I flipped it around and my little one helped me paint the backside. She loves sitting by my side to create these decors. It is always fun to get my little one involved in my home projects. She can learn at the same time, and we can make memories of how we created something together. That will stay with us for a very long time. She keeps on saying, "We made this, Amma." Let the paint dry for 30 minutes. I hand drew some designs. I always measure the size I need and then create these designs. I love to create handmade designs using paper. I drew a design on one side, fold it and trace it to the other side and use this design I made to trace. Using white tracing paper, I traced the design to the spoon and fork. You can also use stencils to make any design of your choice. Before tracing, I make sure that the papers are aligned and centered on the spoon, and using a pencil, I trace the design on the spoon and the fork. Using tracing paper can leave some extra marks on the surface while we trace the design. We can remove these marks before starting to paint the design. And using white acrylic paint, I filled in the design. I added some mandala dots to finish the design and let it dry completely. I feel like my projects are not completed without adding mandala dots. And it is just that all the home decor I created goes well together by adding these dots. So I love to add them as finishing touches to enhance my design on these decor items. I added external varnish outdoors and let it dry. I prefer to varnish outdoors to avoid varnish odors inside the home. Using the keyhole of this fork and spoon, I hung them to the walls. Here is the final reveal of my beautiful black and white kitchen wall decor. Comment and let me know how you liked it. Thanks for watching.